honored guests, and our 8 radiant, soon-to-be mothers, good evening to all. It is with great pride and excitement to welcome you all to this year's Buddhist Queen Coronation Night, a unique celebration of strength, beauty, and the extraordinary journey of motherhood. Today's event is not just a showcase of elegance and grace, but a powerful reminder of the importance of proper nutrition for all. Encapsulated in our theme, Sakipan Sama-sama sa Nutrisyong Sapat para sa Lahat, under the able leadership of our young and dynamic local Chief Executive, Mayor Jose Pepe T. Orlino. Together, we unite in promoting the essential role of nutritional health, not only for mothers, but for the entire family. As we celebrate the Philippine Plan of Action for Nutrition, we are reminded that access to proper nutrition is a shared responsibility, a goal that requires the cooperation of each and everyone in the community. Additionally, today's celebration coincides with Breastfeeding Awareness Month, highlighting the importance of breastfeeding as the best start for our newborns. Through this pageant, we honor not just the beauty of these incredible mothers, but also their commitment to ensuring the health and well-being of the next generation. Thank you to everyone who has made this event possible. And to our participants, you are all winners for embracing motherhood with such grace and courage. Let's make today a celebration of life, health, and unity for a brighter, more nourished future for all. Enjoy our pageant tonight. Good luck to all our contestants, and may we